Hi, my name is Isabella Fernandez, and today I'm going to be presenting on verbs, nouns, and adjectives. I think this would be a great lesson for approximately first grade. Okay, so first, nouns are words that tell us a person, place, or thing. They tell us who, where, or what a sentence is talking about. And to go along with this, students can go ahead and click on this video.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about nouns. A noun is a special kind of word called a part of speech. Nouns are words that name a person, place, thing, or idea. Here are some examples of nouns. Girl and boy are words that name people. Doctor, fireman, and artist are nouns too. This artist is a penguin. Penguin is also a noun. Nouns can also name places. Playground and park are nouns that name places. Words like country and state name places too. There are many, many words to name the things that are around us. Anything you can touch, see, hold, or feel is a noun, a type of noun called a concrete noun. Finally, there are nouns for ideas.
Okay, so this video basically does a really good job about giving a brief overview of nouns and giving students a really good visual on the different types of nouns. And then some of my own examples would be the bee buzzes loudly, with the noun being bee, and my sister went to the movies, with the noun also being sister. So next we can talk about verbs. So verbs are phrases that tell you the action, they tell us what the noun does, and then students can go ahead and watch this video on action verbs.
English sing-sing.
Action verbs.
Walk. You can walk. You can walk like a cat. Walk. Walk. Stomp. You can stomp. You can stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Stomp.
Okay, so this video is really concise and tells you basically the different types of verbs, and it gives students once again a great visual of what verbs might look like. Some of my examples are the cat played in the yard, with the verb being played, and the teacher loves her students, with the verb being loves. Lastly, we'll be talking about adjectives. So these are phrases that describe what's happening in the sentence. So they usually tell us about the noun. They tell us about size, shape, color, and numbers. So some examples would be big, huge, round, pink, red, 1, 2, skinny, long, or tall. And here's a video to go along with it.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about adjectives. An adjective is a special kind of word called a part of speech. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun. We say an adjective modifies a noun. When you're trying to decide if a word in a sentence is an adjective or not, look for the noun that goes with it. Adjectives generally answer one of 3 questions about the nouns they modify. Which one, what kind, and how many. For example, if you have apples, adjectives can help you describe them. Adjectives can tell you which apples they are, or adjectives can tell you what kind of apples they are. Finally, adjectives can tell you how.
Okay, so this video does really well in having students practice identifying adjectives, and I think that it gives you really good prompts to be able to figure out adjectives in your own sentences. And yeah. Okay, and then lastly, I would have the students kind of do some practice. So here are the phrases. So if the students could just identify the noun, the verb, and the adjective on their own. So the first is my dog ran quickly, the tiger growled loudly, and then I chewed my food quietly. And then students would be able to get a minute to go ahead and figure out those answers, and then after they have their answers, they can click to the next slide, and they will see that the different parts of the verb, noun, and adjective are highlighted. So all the nouns are in red, the adjectives are in blue, and the verbs are in orange. So for the first one, my dog ran quickly, the verb is ran, the noun is dog, and the adjective is quickly. For the second one, the noun is tiger, the verb is growled, and the adjective is loudly. And for the last one, the noun is I, the verb is chew, and the adjective is quiet. That would conclude my lesson, and then students could go ahead and come in the next day, and we could actually practice all together identifying different nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Thank you.